Real questions from real people because your concerns matter. May Tanong, Money Guru Reacts.
Ako si Leilani Telan. Sir John, may tanong lang po ako. May kaibigan akong tumulong sa akin magtayo ng tindahan. Pero parang hindi po kami magkasundo sa negosyo. Ano po kayang dapat kong gawin?
That's a tricky situation. But you're not alone, Lodi. Business partnerships can be tough, especially with differing opinions. The key is clear communication and setting boundaries early. Discuss expectations, goals, and responsibilities, and consider a written agreement. If things do not improve, a third-party mediator might be able to help resolve those issues. Every business faces challenges, but it's really how you handle them that matters. Thank you again, Lodis. I'm John Henry Lulier, your Money Guru. Tutok lang palagi, Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru. Okay na to?
Cut!
Success.